Welcome to The Explainer. Listen, if you're looking to build a serious e-commerce brand without taking on the massive, scary risk of holding inventory, you are in the exact right place today. Print on demand is honestly one of the most powerful, low-risk paths to launching a business. You sell custom products, and you only pay for them after your customer has actually clicked buy. Sounds great, right? But here is the catch. There are dozens of apps out there, and your partner's print quality literally becomes your brand's quality. Their shipping speed? Yeah, that becomes your reputation. So today, we're cutting through all the marketing fluff. We're going to reveal the hard evidence behind the top Shopify print-on-demand apps, all based on rigorous physical testing.
Here's the playbook for today. We're going to cover 1. The 2 hidden business models. 2. The results of our great print-off. 3. Finding your perfect app. 4. An awesome $300,000 success story. And finally, 5. Building your POD stack. Let's get to it.
Section 1. The 2 hidden business models. Okay, let's dive right into this first crucial point.
Before you even peek at a product's catalog, you have to pick your strategic business model. Our first option is the vertically integrated model. Printful is the classic example here. A vertically integrated company handles everything entirely in-house. Think of it like a really high-end, meticulous restaurant kitchen. Because the head chef controls every single ingredient and every step of the cooking process, the quality is incredibly reliable. The shirt you order today is going to be perfectly identical to the one you order 6 months from now. You get rock-solid consistency.
Now, on the flip side, we have the aggregator model. Companies like Printify and Gelato use this. Instead of owning the factories, aggregators are basically tech platforms that hook you up with a massive global network of third-party printers. It's kind of like a food delivery app. You instantly get access to hundreds of different restaurants. The huge upside? You get massive product variety and really competitive pricing, which means excellent profit margins for you. The trade-off, though, is you might see some slight inconsistencies, since different local partners could be printing the exact same product.
Section 2. The great print-off results. Time to play detective.
We wanted to see how these models actually hold up in the real world. So we ordered a complex, vibrant design on a black Bella Plus Canvas 3101T from all the top contenders. We graded them on print sharpness, color accuracy, and ink feel. But pay attention to that last bullet point, the wash test. You absolutely cannot know a shirt's true quality until it survives the laundry. We put every single shirt through 3 heavy cold water wash and dry cycles just to hunt for any cracking, peeling, or fading. But hey, before we wash them, we had to unbox them. That unboxing moment? That's your brand's first physical handshake with your customer. It matters. Printful absolutely won the unboxing experience. Their clean, branded packing slips felt incredibly premium. Gelato came in a really close second with these cool, minimalist, eco-friendly mailers. The aggregators like Printify? Well, they arrived in standard, generic packaging. Perfectly fine, sure, but it definitely lacks that distinct, high-end brand touch.
Section 3. Finding your perfect app. So, how do we use all this data?
Choosing the best app isn't about finding one magical winner. It's about matching these real-world results to your specific goals. Let's look at the breakdown. If you are building a premium brand and absolutely refuse to compromise on consistency, Printful is your clear winner with a 9.5 quality score. If your main goal is maximizing profit and having a ton of products, Printify is unmatched. Your margin potential jumps to excellent. Got a global audience? Gelato is amazing because they route orders to locally print facilities, which slashes shipping times. HyperSKU's your go-to for high-volume scaling, and TNBlue, they take the crown if you want to sell personalized, custom goods.
Oh, and we definitely can't ignore the niche powerhouses. If you're stepping outside standard t-shirts, there are highly profitable options tailored just for you. Applique is purpose-built for streetwear, offering premium custom embroidery that makes your stuff feel like boutique fashion. And then there's Shine On. They focus exclusively on personalized jewelry. The big takeaway here? Because jewelry hits those deep, emotional buying triggers, Shine On sellers are frequently pulling in massive 60 to 70% plus profit margins. Insane, right?
Section 4. The $300,000K success story. Let's see what this looks like in the wild.
$300,000? I really want to grab your attention with that number. That's what founders Jesus and Sergio achieved seasonally with Gay Pride apparel. They had an incredible mission, but zero capital for a massive warehouse. So they chose Printful to handle literally all their logistics. Because they weren't tied up shipping boxes, they reinvested every dollar of profit back into growing their community to over 75,000 loyal fans.
I absolutely love this quote from Sergio. He said, "There is no back-end operation. It's just Jesus and I." A 2-person team. And during the holidays, They hit $35,000 in sales on Black Friday alone. They scaled a globally recognized brand without touching a single roll of packing tape. That is the magic of this model.
Section 5. Building your POD stack. All right, how do you actually replicate this?
Here is a huge secret that separates the pros from the beginners, the POD stack. You don't have to pledge loyalty to just one app. Seasoned sellers integrate multiple providers into a single Shopify store. You might use Printful for your premium tees to lock in that brand quality, but then use Gelato for your posters to get that fast, local, global shipping. It's all about cherry-picking the absolute best strengths of each app to build a highly efficient machine.
So, to get your machine running, here is your tick and clock launch sequence for this week. Days 1 and 2, grab your Shopify trial and connect your app. Takes just a few clicks. Days 3 to 5, upload your design, dial in a healthy margin, and hit publish. Then, days 6 and 7, launch your first marketing push, get some eyes on your store, and, most importantly, order samples. Seriously, I cannot stress this enough. Ordering a sample is a non-negotiable insurance policy for your brand. Hold it, wash it, and validate it before you scale.
We've covered the hidden supply chain models, the unfiltered wash test results, and a real-world roadmap to launching your store. Both integrated platforms and aggregators can power million-dollar brands. Honestly, your biggest risk right now isn't choosing the wrong app. It's overthinking it and just failing to start at all. The tools are ready, the business model is proven, so the only question left for you is, are you ready to start?